There is no end to the Tirupati Prasadam politics. Controversy over the alleged use of animal fat in Tirupati Prasad has sparked nationwide fury. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu on Sunday announced an SIT comprising of officers of IGP and office above post to probe the allegations. He's attacked Jagan Mohan Reddy for playing with the emotions of the devotees and opening floodgates for adulterated goods in Tirupati. Meanwhile, TTT has established a sensory panel to keep a check on ghee and food quality based on several parameters. Tirupati temple body will hold a one-day-long Maha Shanti Homam to ensure confidence of devotees is restored. His afterwards RCP Chief Jagan Mohan Reddy accused the Chief Minister of being a habitual liar in his letter to the Prime Minister and to the CGI. VHP is up in arms over the issue. They're holding a meeting with seers from southern India on the matter. Meanwhile, anti-Jagan protests also broke out, with BJYM staging a dharna, throwing saffron paint and chanting slogans outside Jagan's residence.
Samprokshana program is conducted, that is called Shanti Homam is conducted. Tomorrow we have taken advice of Agama Pandits and also Sri Pedajiyangar. They advise that it will be better to conduct one day Shanti Homam tomorrow. That will be conducted from 6 o'clock to 10 o'clock in the morning. This involves establishing, doing a Homam in the Yagasala. Then after that, Samprokshana will be done in different areas. We have established a system of testing ghee for adulteration in TTD for the first time in the last 3 months. Never in the history of TTD we have tested ghee for adulteration outside, in outside labs. But in-house we don't have capacity to test. Outside also we never attempted. This is the first time that we started doing it, and we continue to do that. This will ensure that there is a quality check, there is a quality control system in place, and if anybody tries to supply any adulterated thing, they will be naturally blacklisted and other legal actions will be taken.
Prokshanam that they will conduct according to traditions, Agama Sampradayam. Second, I am ordering an inquiry, IGP level or more than that. Then the team will establish the facts. Finally, all temples, all prayer places, respect to religious people only will work. Even management committees, only those who are having belief, they will be nominated. We will take all precautions. Finally, we will prepare standard operation procedures for all temples. Accordingly, we will work it out.
लगातार इस तरह का अडल्ट्रेशन जो आम लोगों के खाने में भी बहुत भारी मात्रा में हो रहा है, जिसके बारे में कोई संज्ञान नहीं लिया जा रहा है, और मैं समझती हूँ कि जो हमारा फूड अडल्ट्रेशन डिपार्टमेंट है, इसको पूरी तरह काम करना चाहिए और ये जांच बिठानी भी चाहिए। जिस तरह आप बता रहे हैं कि तिरुपति बालाजी के लड्डू में जो अडल्ट्रेशन का मामला आया है, तो ये बहुत ही नाजुक मामला भी है, तो ये कहीं ना कहीं हमारे श्रद्धा से जुड़ा हुआ मामला है। और इसी तरह की बात हमारे वृंदावन में भी सुनने को मिली है, जहाँ पे सही किस्म का खोए का इस्तेमाल नहीं हो रहा है या उसमें भी मिलावट हो रही है। तो मैं समझती हूँ कि अब इस डिपार्टमेंट को कुछ काम करना चाहिए, क्योंकि सरकार भारतीय जनता पार्टी की है, तो इनको पूरी जिम्मेदारी के साथ इस पे काम करवाना चाहिए।
जिस गौ माता को हम पूजा करते हैं, वो बीफ मिलाना, आज मुझे पता लगा कि उसमें पिग का मांस भी था और मछली का तेल। कैसी बात हो सकती है? बेहद दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण, आश्चर्यजनक, चकित करने वाला, और ऐसा लगता है जैसे कि हृदय की धमनियों को एक गहरी चोट पहुंचाने वाला है। मुझे लगता है इस पर कि एक हाई लेवल जुडिशियल इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए।
तिरुपति की जो लड्डू की बात हुई, ये बहुत बड़ा आघात पहुंचाया है करोड़ों हिंदुओं के आस्था पर, उनके दिल में। बाजार में जो भी वस्तु बिकाऊ में है, उसमें जिस किसी तरफ से भी मिलावट हो, और उन सबको खड़ी से खड़ी सजा होनी चाहिए। देखिए, लोग बाजार में जाते हैं, खरीदते हैं, सामान खरीदते हैं, उसकी शुद्धता पर विश्वास करते हैं, और इस तरह के वहां पर मांस की चीजें घी में और चीजों में पड़ जाए, ये तो बहुत बड़ा अपराध है, लोगों के साथ धोखा है।
Cross to Apurva Jayachandran, getting in more details from Vijayawada right now. Apurva, you know, the nation, the entire nation really is obviously furious about the developments in Tirupati, given the adulteration of prasadam. Give us a sense of the kind of action that is now being taken to ensure that an incident of this nature never gets repeated. Also, what is the punitive action that's being taken against those guilty?
Well, Sneha, what we are getting to know from, the TTD board officials is that a Shanti Homam is currently underway here in Tirumala. This Shanti Homam is a sort of cleansing and purification ritual that is being conducted, where three homagundams, three homas are being simultaneously conducted to ensure that there is all kinds of purity that is being done, all samagri that is the ingredients that is being used for the Shanti Homam is of the finest quality, including that of pure cow ghee. There is gomutra, there is cow's ghee, there is cow's curd, all these kind of pure ritualistic ingredients that are being used in this Shanti Homam that is taking place. This apart from in terms of the punitive action, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Nara Chandrababu Naidu stated specifically how a special investigative team, an SIT, will be set into place, which will be chaired by IG rank officer, who will be conducting all kinds of investigation that will be taking place into ensuring what went wrong in Tirumala exactly during the past governance, why this kind of action had in fact taken place. So that's what we are seeing here. The government is also taking stringent action. Already on August 15th, there was one homam that had taken place there. Regarding the purification process for the temple that is being conducted every time before the Brahmotsava takes place, that is during this month, and as a continuation process of that, now that this incident and report has come out proving that there was in fact adulterated fat, including that of lard, beef tallow and fish oil that had been used. Now we're getting to see that Shanti Homam is currently underway. This Homam is in fact ongoing there in Tirumala, inside the premises, where all priests will be conducting this homam, this including three agama acharyas who will be a part of this homam. They will take forth all of these rituals as per the agama shastra, need to see what needs to be done, all rituals that will be followed by the book.
All right.
Sneha.
I'm going to thank you for the moment, Apurva, getting us up to speed with those details as far as the controversy over the prasadam there is concerned. Remember, steps are being taken to in fact ensure the devotees that we are working on this and that things will eventually be limping back to normalcy as far as this huge controversy with the sentiments of just so many lakhs of devotees hurt in this case.